guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making a sunburst mirror. So before you continue, hit the subscribe button for more content. So this is what you need for the project. Feel free to use mirror size which favor your project. So let's go. So I started out by cutting out the cardboard to fit the size of my mirror. I personally chose to use the cardboard to give a firmer grip on the skewers and also to attach my string which I'd used to hang my sunburst mirror on the wall. So this is how you're going to attach the skewers behind your mirror. So make sure that you're attaching them evenly to give the impression of sun rays. So I started out by attaching the longer skewers and then the shorter skewers in between. Once you're happy with the design of your skewers, kindly add glue all around the back side of your mirror to attach your cardboard. Be generous with the glue at this point because you want everything to have a firm grip. Using a string on your mirror, remember to add it before gluing your cardboard onto the back side of the mirror. Gluing your cardboard, can you press it down for 30 seconds so it can hold firmly. So this is how a sunburst mirror looks from the front, guys. We're going to be painting it with a bright gold color. Make sure you cover the top side of the mirror so you don't spray paint it. All the skewers have been neatly covered by the spray paint, so you go ahead and attach the small mirrors. Make sure that you sprayed 2 coats on the skewers to give it an elegant finish. What I did is I placed the small mirrors randomly to make it look cool. Next, we remove the protective film of the acrylic mirrors to give it the glass finish. Finish by cleaning the mirrors to get rid of the stains and to make the mirrors shiny. This is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And please remember to follow for more exciting videos. Until next time, take care and God bless.